Hey, what's up, guys? Aubrey Trades here. Welcome back to another pre-market watch list. One of these days, I'll think of a better name for these, but this is our pre-market prep session. Some new runners this morning. GRNQ right here, spiking from the 60s cents area all the way up to $1.48 at the highs, up on news. Green Pro, blah, 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 signs an agreement with another company to form a joint venture to make an integrated satellite network and services platform. All right. That's not like terribly sexy, but okay. You can see the level 2 now. It's kind of like this thing's getting a lot of play. It kind of keeps teetering between being heavy on the ask and being heavy on the bid. Daily chart right here, which is what we're looking at, looks terrible. I mean, just this thing has been absolutely crushed with an even further, like, harsher decline in the sell-off over the past few days. And we're looking at, like, that's got to be over a week of red days, right? So this is definitely a first green day sort of opportunity. Spiking all the way to $1.48, though, on the daily chart. That's putting us right around here, right at that overhead resistance. So I would be wary. I wouldn't play this until we break, honestly, until we break the 150. And then I would look for some hesitation in the 180s. There's 156. Yeah, I would look for 180s, 175s, right around this zone. That's where it last had a little bit of hesitation. And then, of course, if we make it up there, you know, $3, why not? Why not take it to 3? Why not take it to 270? I don't know that that's going to happen. I don't think this is the market for it. But, you know, there's thoughts. Maybe this thing, you know, ideally, this thing dips until the open, so then you can take a nice dip trade for the high day retest. GOVX is the other runner. GVOX. Bam. I did that right. GOVX. There it is. Okay, daily chart looks kind of garbage too. Not great. Let's see. We got a zone in the 6s. We got a 650. What are these ranges here? This was 380 to 513. This is 430 to 559. Is this up on news? Oh, this one is high as 9. This is what's after hours runner, and then nice. Okay, I'm not mad at that. So where's 899 on this daily chart, right? That's really what is important. 899, right around here. Okay. So we know this has the potential. To really get it. I need to see this. I need to see this hang around. You know, this zone, this like 6s zone is a little bit choppy. Ideally, I'm thinking I want it to stay above the 6 zone. I mean, right now we're closer, closer to 7, so not bad. This is another one I'll probably be looking at. Why? I'm trying to see if there's what the news is. Okay, COVID news. Chief Scientific Officer Mark Newman presented data from the ongoing studies of its preventative vaccine against COVID-19 at the European Society of Medicine General Assembly in Germany this week. Okay, so they presented some findings around their vaccine, so it's cool, a little hypey, right? All right, I'm not mad at that. I mean, it's Delta fears I think are increasing. We're seeing a weird rotation in the markets. I mean, it's not that weird, but yeah. So here is that. Let's look at what's the daily on the SPY. I'm just curious. Ooh, we're almost here at that 50-day average. Not bad. So those are the two big runners this morning. MRIN is also up about 18%. Having a nice little bit of a bounce here. We're in the 6s, 5s, or But look where we are, though, just how beaten down this whole chart is, right? Personally, this is going to be a no play for me. But it's just, nice to keep tabs on what is showing up on the gainer scans, SSY. And then we're going to talk about what I'm actually excited for. SSY has no news. It's just popping about 11%. It's at 290. 346 at the highs and pre-market this morning, right around this top out here. I don't think we see anything much, especially without a news catalyst. I don't know. I'll tell you what I am excited for, though. I'm looking at Steve, TSOI, WDLF, and, of course, PBYA again. Now, these two are holdovers from the past couple of days, right? So let's look at what STEV has been doing. Look at this, just beautiful. We have this indecision candle here, though. So this could be the open door for for a larger panic. Look at this, just curling over here on the 5 minute, right? So looking for any big panic. Specifically, if this gets to the penny range, this is looking juicy for a dip buy. Don't know about the 1.5s. I mean, we closed at the 1.8, so it's not. That's not much of a panic. I need to really see like here, right? So if we get that, that'd be really cool. PMBY, another one. Am I getting that right? PBYA. Yeah, I know. I have ticker confusion. PBYA, less volume. This could potentially be the backside of the move, or we could be setting up for another third day move, right? Up, consolidate, up again, consolidate. Lower volume, though. This is big volume, so I don't know. So, any sort of panic, next zone looks to be that penny range. We're kind of hanging around that 12, that 112 right here. So we'll see. I'd possibly take a bounce off the penny range if the L2 was stacked pretty nicely. But what I will be watching, TSOI. Right, and TSOI came with some news, right? I got the news catalyst, I think. Therapeutic Solutions International identifies and files patent on novel mechanism of action of its FDA Phase 3 cleared JADI cell treatment of COVID-19 Delta variant. So up on Delta variant news, that alone sent the stock from the 7 cents to the 9 cent range. Amazing. Great, right? Big first screen day, big volume. We're going to see what we get. I got levels drawn out. Definitely, a dip trade off of the profit taking from the overnight longs. That is the plan there. And the other one that I'm excited about is going to be WDLF. All right, big first screen day, big volume. Let's see. They launched a token on Ethereum blockchain, WDLF token. So they went from this half a penny range all the way to almost Pennyland. They're pushing Pennyland. It's closed on good volume, though it did have this like panic sell off a little bit toward the end here. I say panic sell off, but that's really like 0.001, right? Right? I mean, we were 0.002, maybe closer to that. But good volume. Maybe we see, maybe this opens the door to a little bit of a fake out panic, right? Maybe we get down to the 7s. Maybe we get down to the 6.5s. And then we have some volume come in and we retest the highs. That's all I'm looking for, right? I don't know that I'm going to hang around for new highs, but I'll go test the highs. Oh, I have the news right here too. Sometimes the OTC ones, like Thinkorswim, doesn't have the actual news. Nice. So crypto loyalty points. That's pretty exciting. So those are my big watches for the day. I'll also throw in there EEGI, even though at this point, this was up on literally the company CEO tweet. I made a dumb freaking trade here going for the push to new highs. I got the, yeah, I got at 33, and I missed my sell opportunity at 34. I mean, I tried to sell, but I just didn't get any off, and then I got shaken off when it pulled back to 31. And looking at this 5-minute chart, it looks more obvious that 31 was really the range to look to, but trading off the 1 minute, there we go. Trading off the 1 minute, I was looking at 32. Right? This hadn't happened, right? So my entry was actually right here on this first 1 minute candle to make a higher low and to close here at 33. So I took the 33 for the push to 34. I was right on the push to 34. I just didn't get the sell off fast enough, and then I got shaken out here at 31, which doesn't really even look like any kind of support range here, right? So anyway, those are my thoughts. I'm watching because it's up on the CEO tweet. Maybe maybe you get a dip opportunity from overnight longs. Maybe the company CEO tweets again and it spikes. But, I'm more excited, frankly, on TSOI and WDLF because it's cryptocurrency news. And I think that is a hotter sector right now. And plus, I think I made that dumb trade on EEGI, so I don't know how much I trust my judgment, my emotions. So I think, better to just move on to a new ticker, right? Those are my thoughts. That's what I'm watching. Good luck, everyone out there. Let me know what you're looking at. If you have any good scores, I want to hear about them. We can celebrate together. Otherwise, I will be back with a morning recap. And hopefully this time, if I have a good morning, I can just sit on my hands in the afternoon and shut it down, because I really, 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 really can't wipe out days worth of gains because I'm being a degen. Stupid, stupid, stupid. All right, with that said, I'm out of here. Aubrey, later.